From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up to a jarring alarm clock every morning? Well, I've got some great news for you. The Hbjwov Retro Tv Smart LCD electronic clock from Noiseless is here to change that. This clever device is not just a clock, but a smart addition to your bedroom that will make your mornings so much better. With its sleek LED display, you'll be able to see the time clearly, even in the dark, and the low power consumption means you don't have to worry about it draining your energy bills. But what really sets it apart is its noiseless design, which is perfect for light sleepers. You won't be disturbed by any annoying ticking sounds, just pure silence. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice. One of the features I love is the memory function, which means that even if the power goes out, your settings will still be saved, so you won't have to reset everything. The thermometer function is also super handy. You can see the temperature in your room at a glance, which is really useful for planning your day. And let's not forget about the beautiful LED lights, which add a touch of warmth and coziness to your bedroom. I've been using this clock for a while now, and I can honestly say it's been a game changer. The easy setup and intuitive interface make it a breeze to use, even for those who aren't tech savvy. Plus, it's really beautiful and practical to put on your table. It adds a touch of retro charm to your decor. Whether you're a heavy sleeper or a light sleeper, this clock is perfect for anyone who wants a peaceful and restful sleep, and a gentle wake-up call. So if you're in the market for a new alarm clock, I highly recommend giving the Hbjwov Retro TV Smart LCD electronic clock a try. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.